Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot? Well, what about market behaviour? It certainly is very interesting because the day after England beat Germany in the Euros, a lot of people were expecting the joie de vivre to bubble over and lift the FTSE 100, but the main market index behaved to the contrary and we actually saw shares fall. However, as the Euros progresses and England stays in, the FTSE 100 has actually added 1%. Well, let's see what happens after the semi-finals of the Euros. Right, to Lords now. And I'm not talking about the cricket. I'm talking about Lords Group Trading, which is joining AIM with a predicted market cap of £150 million when it lists on July the 20th, the day after Freedom Day, when we can choose if we want to wear masks or not. Well, Lords specialises in building, plumbing, heating and DIY goods. It was created over 35 years ago as a family business. It now has 33 sites with a combined turnover in excess of £288 million. Meanwhile, Bridgepoint says it intends to list on the main market of the London Exchange. Now, this company invests or acquires businesses with a European focus. It says it will issue new shares to raise £300 million and float at least 25% of the business. So those are IPOs that we have to look forward to. Meanwhile, Ocado said that earnings tripled over its most recent financial year. It now has a very auspicious number of customers, 777,000 of them, and increasing. Well, earnings, as I said, trebled during the pandemic, but it says it's got to invest to be the best. So don't expect huge earnings growth on the horizon. And as for the share price, the Ocado share price reached an all-time high in late January at £28.86 a share. Meanwhile, Sainsbury's has raised its guidance after a cracking first quarter. That performance, the supermarket says, is due to better customer service as it puts food back at the heart of Sainsbury's, and its share price is inching back to its 2018 heyday. And of course, whilst my podcasts are weekly, you could have something just as special on a morning basis. So if you go to blogs on lse.co.uk, you can access your morning cup of stock market sunshine. The blogs are really rather good. Stay well, stay safe. Come on, England. I'll be back same time next week.